Hi everyone, this is Joanne. How are you today? I am coming to you with a Bramble Fox layout, and I am going to use up my stash for this layout. I have some older papers that are absolutely beautiful and I want to use, so I went ahead and put a border around this white cardstock, and I cut the white cardstock down to 11 by 11, just so you know. And we are going to use up some scraps and everything. So I have this piece of paper here. I gutted the inside of this. Okay, I grabbed my ruler, and this is about a 7.5 by 10.5. Okay, so 7.5 by 10.5, and I'm just going to put that in the middle. And then I have this piece of paper, which you can cut this down to be whatever you want it to be, but this particular one is, let me see if I can read this. This is about 5.5 by a little bit more than 10. And I just kind of eyeballed it until I knew what I wanted to do, because I'm going to put this right here in the middle, and I just wanted white space here and a little bit of white space on the top and bottom. I want this in the middle, and I'm going to use 2 border punches. So I have this really cool one. Isn't that neat? These are both punches from Creative Memories that I used. I'm going to put one border here on the outside like this. Isn't that pretty? Then there's space here and here. I think this is off a little bit. Move that over a little. Second border punch. I've been really into my border punches recently, so let's bring that back out because I hit it with my finger. And then go ahead and put another border right there. Isn't that cute? So let me go ahead and get that stuck down. Okay, that's stuck down. Is it perfect? No, it's not. Look at my super cute photos. This is me and one of my very best friends, and this is her dog, little Miss Daisy May. Isn't she cute? Look at her. She just loves cuddling and kissing, and it was like 92 degrees out this day. We were all just so hot, but she had to be right in your lap. So cute. All right, so I'm going to bring in all of my Bramble Fox goodies. I have tons of paper snips. Okay, I'm using paper snips 28 and 25. I will put pictures up on the screen for you to see. And then I'm also going to use this. This is one of my favorites. It says The Story, and it comes with a lot of other perspectives. I'll put a picture up for you can look at it. And then also I'm going to use these. It says, it's the little things, always remember, and just lovely. And I just thought that the black would go really good. Even though this paper is navy, I still think it's pretty. And then I'm going to use all these little circles from Bramble Fox. These are so cool to add some interest and texture and dimension to your layouts, and they come in several different colors. I'll put some pictures up. So there's white and black, and then a colored pack too, and you also get open circles and little closed circles too. So there is that one. All right, so let's do a little cluster. I want to get my clusters established here, so I know that I have the proper placement of my photos. Aren't these florals from the paper snips beautiful? I love them. Paper snips are amazing. You get a lot of ephemera from them, and they're very, very easy to cut up. Even if you don't 100% enjoy fussy cutting, paper snips, with the paper that they come on, it's very high quality and it's very easy to fussy cut. So I'm gonna just make a little floral cluster over here like so. And let me see, again, I just want to start my clusters so I can think about if I have to move them up or to the left and right a little bit. Maybe put in one under here, and then I'll put this one to give just a little bit of a different color. I'll tuck it in under here, and then I have an extra leaf. Let's see where I can put this. Maybe there. Pretty. And I am going to put the word "the" right on the corner of my photo and have the story go over the floral clusters, hence being one of the reasons why I really wanted to get this proper placement so things just sit together really nicely. And I think that I want to move this down a little bit. Okay, there you go. And then put that there, and then I'm going to put the large one of these. It's the little things. Always remember medium, and then a little bit smaller, it says "just lovely." I think that is really cute. I like it a lot, and I like all the sentiments on there. Sometimes I like to offset my sentiments like this, but for this, I just thought that it would look nice centered on each other. So there's that one, and I think I will come in with some of these. Now I am going to utilize these just as if they were enamel dots. I think that's going to be cute. So I'm going to put this up here like that. Okay, I might need to scooch this up just a little bit more, something along those lines. Aren't those cute? Instead of enamel dots, you can use those circles. And I just thought they would go well with the colors of the paper snips, and because there's polka dots on this paper. All right, so let's get the next cluster decorated. I have more of the paper snips and more of the circles. Let me just get them out here. I also have this little paper snip sentiment. Oh, that almost rolled right off my desk. Living our best life. I like that a lot. It almost is perfect with that paper. And then here's a bunch of these that I'll put on there. And I also have this camera from the paper snips, which is cute. Let's see here. We have a cluster here, so let's try something over here on this side, like that. And then perhaps we can put another floral up here in the corner, similar to what we did down here in this corner. And then I'm going to want to bring in another color. So let's try this one. Bring in a little flower here, and then I'll bring in perhaps a leaf over here like that. It's kind of like an L shape around the corner of the photo. And then just to fill in this space here, I'll bring in another photo. You can put them on top if you want to. Sometimes I put them on top. Sometimes I like to put them underneath and just have them peeking out. I'll grab this to add another color into the small cluster I'm doing here. And then I'm not sure exactly where I want this leaf. I'm wondering if I should put it there. It looks good. Let's see if it may perhaps look better there. Oh, I think I like that a little bit better. Okay, and then, do I like that better? I don't know which one I like better. I think that I'm going to put the camera right there in the corner. I keep hitting it. Maybe I will move this back to the original spot because I didn't really mind that too much. And then it would give me a spot to put "living our best life." And sometimes I like to put the little sentiment phrases right along the side of my photos. Excuse me, please. You can do that. You can also put them right on the top. That looks really good too. But sometimes I like to do this. you can still read it, and it just adds something to this cluster. And then I think I'm going to come in and scooch this down just a little bit and maybe put these up here. Let's do these, and then I'll put a couple little ones up in here with that floral cluster. Isn't that cute? I love it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get this adhered down. And my layout is now complete. I did come in with a couple honeybee stamped gems, and I just scattered them around in with the circle perspectives and in the clusters just a little bit, just to give a little teeny bit of bling. I love these. They're so beautiful. Let me show you the paper snips up close. Aren't they beautiful? Very high quality. And there's the little circles. I love those. Again, those come in lots of different colors. Paper snips, and this, and these are my favorite. I love those. All right, you guys, so I hope that you got some inspiration from this layout and use your border punches with your perspectives. It's beautiful. I will put close-ups at the end, and I will link all the products that I used below, okay? Thank you for stopping by my channel and the Bramble Fox channel. Take care and have a good day. Bye.